Test. Okay, well, here we go. Let's stop my music and let's go. Yeah. Oh, my fan's in the shot again. There it goes. Okay. All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to my live stream. All right. Wow, already 5 people in the chat room. That is awesome. Thank you so much. You guys rock. Your support, it means so much to me. It's Steven, Cynthia, Peter, Israel, you're new, Jay Cannon. Yeah. Thank you. So this is like I guess it would be like bonus streams if you're used to seeing me on the official Webflow YouTube channel where I'm doing the Tuesday workshops. And let me fix this right here. Yeah, okay. So what am I doing? Yeah, this is just me just keeping my chops, you know, making sure that I'm still doing a lot of stuff in Webflow, making sure my skills are still sharp. That's what I was trying to go for. Keeping my skills sharp. And the reason why is because what I do at Webflow is that I'm always answering help tickets, and I'm logging any bugs that people are seeing or trying to fix to make sure, is it a bug or is there something else that's wrong with the site or something like that. So yeah, I'm doing a lot of logistical things during work, and now this is my play, you know, where I get to actually go from the customer side, like be a customer of Webflow, be a user of Webflow, and just have fun with it. Okay, so what are we doing today? Yeah, so Cynthia's in the live chat room right now, and thank you so much, Cynthia, for being here live in the live chat room. Yeah, I think you're in East Coast, so this is pretty late for you. You know, it's 10 o'clock here, so it's like 1 a.m. for you. So thank you. Yeah. Cynthia wrote left a comment in one of the videos. Saying, let me go look. It's on my tweet deck real quick. Where you at? She said, oh yeah, is it possible to do a vertical scroll instead? So I did like I did 2 slider tutorial videos, and the first one was it moves horizontal, and then the second one I did was like moving on a lazy Susan, so it was in a circle. And Cynthia was talking about the one that was moving horizontal, and she was wondering, can you move sliders vertically? And I like to be real in these streams. Maybe. And I like to explore. And this is me just being a Webflow fan. Like I've always been for the past 5 years, being a Webflow fan and saying, what can it do? What can it not do? And if it can't do something, can I use code to make it happen? You know? So, yeah. Let's see here. Steven loved yesterday's workshop. Oh, let me put him in the live chat. Hold on. Let me copy this. Go back here, paste it. Let's go linked. Can I go like this? Oh, you don't see the live chat. Okay. There we go. So, yeah, Steven loved yesterday's workshop. Yeah, just a little bit about that one. That was fun to do, and I practiced that one the week before and then a little bit over the weekend. And man, just to be real, like there's this one part where the sticky wasn't working, and I was like, no, I was sweating bullets. I was like, no, why isn't it working? And so, as a live streamer, you just got to keep going, and for maybe it's because the new homepage is so good, and I wanted to teach at least 2 things from it. I tried for 3, but I only had time for 2. But when that thing didn't work, I was like, oh no. And there was over 100 people watching, and I was like, oh no, please make it work, please. And then I was able to finish it at 10:28. I have to keep my timing because I want to make sure there's 30 minutes of tutorial and then 30 minutes of community time. And man, that was intense, but I was able to show you guys. And there was this one community member, I forgot his name, but he already has a clonable Webflow project that you can take that sticky off of. So yeah, cool. Cynthia, 1 a.m. for me, but I'm currently working on a Webflow project. Yeah, first time seriously using Webflow, and I've been following so many of your videos. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Learned so much from you so far. Yeah, so hopefully you can learn something else right here. This one's dedicated to you. So yeah, Cynthia, you wrote in, and thank you so much. So here we are. What are we doing? We're doing this. Cynthia sent this one in by Dribble Shot by Devon Raj. All right, and as you can see, it's a slider, and we have a couple things moving. Okay, so things are moving in a vertical direction. Okay, it's going up, going up, going up, going up. Can Webflow do this? We're all gonna explore together. Okay, so this is like a tutorial / exploration / whatever. Let's just go into it without any practice. And another observation, whenever I see website stuff on Dribble, why is it mostly sliders? Is it just me? Alright, well, anyways. So I'm going to put this to the side. Actually, I'm going to leave that here, and let me see if I can throw it over to my laptop. So that way, I can just keep tabs on what it looks like. Actually, no, I'll just move this down. Right there. Excuse me. Okay, we're good. Is the chat room updating in the... It doesn't look like it's updating. Alright, so let me do this. Let me remove... Oh. That's weird. Nah, let me just remove this. Gone, add source. Screen, window, chat. Take that out. Go like this. Go like that. Yeah, just show 2 screens. There we go. So you guys can see yourselves. It's always nice to see, like, which chat messages I'm talking about. Let's make this smaller. So yeah, before I streamed, I was switching gears from my Webflow workshop layout in XSplit and this one, and then I overwrote this one, and so I had to rebuild everything, and I'm like, oh god. So all the positioning's all off and everything, but oh well, you do what you got to do. Yeah, Steven, you noticed that too. Yeah, and it just feels like most of the designs, even for those sliders, are just the same over and over. Just modern boxes and whatnot. And it's like, that's cool. What else you got? But I'm going to build this one. So I'm going to be switching back and forth to here, to here. And yeah, so let's close this. Thank you, Devon, for... no, come back. Devon? Well, okay. So, let's get to it. first thing I want to do is I'm going to let's bring in a section, okay? And we're going to make this full screen, right? So I'm going to make this section called like main thing. For these practices, I don't care what the what the class names are. I'm like the thing, main thing, whatever. All right, so you have main thing, and let's see here. I made that height 100 VH, which means viewport height. Now let's just get to the fun part where we bring in a slider. Oh, I didn't download any things. Let me get unsplash.com. Beautiful stock photography. Because I'm a nerd and I love space exploration. All right. Okay, of course. If you don't know me by now, I mean, come on. You know what I'm going to do. Actually, and I need to make those smaller too. All right. Hold on. Let's see here. I don't know how to do Windows thing. Enhance. Okay, so adjust. No. How do I do the... I don't know how to image size in Windows. This sucks. Picresize.com. Nope, that's wrong site. Oh my gosh. I put PIX. It's PIC. And then it showed me some Asian characters, and I'm like, no. All right, let's move this stuff. PC. Where is my SpaceX? SpaceX. There you are. Go like that. All right. And then continue. And then I need to resize it for 50% smaller. Yeah, that's fine. 1500. Best. I'm done. Resize. Cool. Save image to disk. Cool. Free tools on the internet. Aren't they awesome? All right, let's get another one. Ooh. I like that one. That looks pretty cool. Say thanks. Thank you, Richard Gatley. Where'd it go? Where are my things going? Ugh. Hold up. Hold the phone. Oh, they're down here. Okay, I see them. Okay, so I got that one. Let me get one more. Ooh. That's nice. Solar eclipse of the sun. Thank you to Tyler. There, I said thanks. Alright, we're done with you. Okay, let's go back and drag in this one. Continue. Hey, Ethan, what's up? 9 people are... What? Holy nuts. 9 people are watching. Thank you, guys. There we go. So yeah, if you guys just joined, what I'm doing is I'm making a vertical slider using the slider component. Can Webflow do this? We'll see. What I like to do, whenever I see a site where someone challenges me, I like to just do it in my head. Like I see the Webflow tool and I see the matrix code or whatever, and I just imagine myself doing the things, and then and then I have a little bit of a inkling of like, okay, maybe I can do it like this and like this. Okay, let's try it. And so, yeah, 1, 2, 3, drag them in. we're done with this. Get that out of there. Okay, so again, let me refresh. You see above right there? That's what I'm rebuilding. Okay, so you can see what I'm trying to do. All right, so we're back on the slider. So we uploaded our assets. We uploaded our images. That's going to go on the right side. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm dragged in the slider. Let's go ahead and make this slider height 100 v8 or 100%, which is its parent. 100% of its parent, which is the main thing. Mask, cool. Is that the whole thing? Yeah. Mask. Then inside of the mask we have the slide. How big is the slide? Look at that. The slide doesn't even go all the way down. If you see where the green is, that's padding. Am I mistaken? No. Look at that. Oh yeah. See, Webflow likes to add like styles until you start playing with. See, it's not really 0, 0. It's 75, 75. You know, so take note of that. So let's do this. Let's just make everything 100% just to make sure. Height 100% on the mask. Slide. I want 0 everywhere. There. All right, and height 100%. Oh no, I don't want to call it slide 2. I'm just the slide. And then give this the slide as well. Okay, so we have 2 slides. Let's go back to slide 1. This slide nav. There is no slide nav for this. So if you delete the slide nav, the whole thing goes away. So what you have to do is click slide nav and then just display none and it goes away. So yeah, that's the thing. What's that beta finder thing I've seen pop up? You can check it out. Go on the forum and look for quick finder. Yeah, it's a what's the hotkey for quick finder? Oh yeah, Control K. So it's kind of like, what do you call it? Spotlight for Mac or something. And then you can like if I want to find, say I want to find, pretend I have like a bunch of elements on the page, right? And then I'm like, oh, where's that slider component? So I do Control K or Command K, and then I type in slider, and then there you go. Oh, I've just added another slider. Okay. Oh, I named it slider. Let's see here. Okay, slider. Oh, all results elements. Huh. So yeah, you can just quickly traverse, quickly find what you're looking for. Quick find. I just said that. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so that's that thing. It's pretty cool. But behind the scenes on that one, that was pretty cool. That was a hack week thing, and then our whole team like voted which one. There were so many different things that people made, and then one of the developers made that, and everyone went, whoa, everyone went nuts, right? And everyone was like mostly voting for that one, and it's like, yo, that's so cool. And so we finally found time to put it in as a beta, and you can get access through the forums. Just ask on the forums, and yeah, it's I haven't used it much though, so yeah, I need to though. Pretty cool. All right, so this slide right here. So what I'm gonna do is I can't set this one to flex, okay? Because the reason why I want to flex is because I want to have those 2 columns up there. And so instead of that, I'm gonna put a div block, and this div block we're gonna call it flex, and set that to flex, and we're gonna set this height to 100%. There we go. All right. And one more thing on the slide, I'm going to make that overflow hidden, because when I start moving things up past the div's boundaries, I don't want the canvas to see it still. I want it to be masked and go away. Right? Oh, but that's what this mask is for too. Nah, it's okay. Leaving the overflow to hidden. All right, so now we're going to have this div, and we're going to just call it flex child. Okay, expand that, and then copy paste. Now we have 2 columns. That easy. And let's just copy and paste that here on the second slide, so we're all good. All right, back on the first one. All right, so almost there. Let me study this a little bit more. So we have, so we're gonna put type on. We're work on the first column. We're gonna put type, and then we're gonna put smaller type. Then we're gonna put a circle button with drop shadow. Cool, easy. All right. So for this first flex child, we're going to actually, let me see here. Yeah, for this flex child, I'm going to call it call 1 for column 1. In the background, let's make it like looks like a gray or brownish gray, something like that. We'll do it like that. Cool. Let's save it. Ivory. Yes. Okay, cool. And we'll make this flex as well, so we can put the elements inside of it centered. And then, hello, you're on camera. The phone charger?
Yeah, it's right there. I see it.
Where?
Near a power strip.
No, but that. Where's the portable one?
I
Used it. Here, use your MacBook one. Say hi to stream.
Hi, stream.
Oh, gotta be louder than that.
Hi, stream.
Okay, whatever. Alright. Okay, back on it. So we did this. It's centered, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's just put a H1 or a 2. And then we'll say, what's the first one? Falcon Heavy. The first image is Falcon Heavy. Demo launch. Q. And I don't think we need these arrows. All right, for now, let's just turn them off. Huh? Turn them off? Yeah. Let me turn them off real quick. Arrow, turn it off. Arrow. Turn them off so I can see what I'm working on. All right, cool. So that's that. Oh, actually, no, this needs to be wrapped. Why? Like that. Because I want the next thing, the button, to be aligned left. Rather than if I took both of these out right now, like say I take this out of the div. Come on. Say I took it out. Watch what happens. Everything is like on one line and centered. So yeah, that's why I had to put a div right there. All right. This is supposed to be a circle and I need a triangle. So yeah, let me delete this, make a link block, and we're gonna make this a circle. So play. Oh, you know what'd be more awesome? If this played if this played the actual Falcon Heavy demo launch. YouTube Falcon Heavy demo launch. The official one. Not Static Fire. I know how to spell official. No, test flight, not demo launch. Oh, this was so good. Alright, so I'm going to leave that there. Test flight. Alright, so I have a play button right here, and how do we make it circle? We make the width and height the same, set the border radius to 50%, and you have a circle. So this one, let's just make it Webflow blue. And inside of this, we're going to flex it as well, because we're going to make a play button. So pop quiz, how do you make a CSS triangle? You do this. The width and height is 0. And you play with the borders. So this border right here, that's going to be the actual color. So that's going to be white. And the width, let's make it, we'll guess 25 solid. And then right here, you do the same thing, 25, but the color is going to be transparent. And then you take it the other way, say 25, transparent. Bada boom, bada bing, you have a triangle. Doesn't look like a play button much because they're all equal, so now you have to play with it more. So maybe this one will be 15. The top and bottom will be 15. That's a play button right there. Cool. And now, because it's centered, it's not really centered. So I need to push it with a little bit of margin. Boom. Cool. All right. Let's see here. Am I missing anything? Definitely be trying that out. Okay. Yeah. So that's that. Ugh. It's supposed to be a Lightbox. Hold on real quick. So I'm going to drag in a Lightbox. And this is what's going to show the Lightbox with the YouTube video. All right. So how to customize your Lightbox link is you just put another div inside and then delete the image. Because if you delete the image first, then you delete the whole Lightbox component. Webflow thinks, oh, you don't want that anymore, so you don't want the Lightbox. But in actuality, you do. There we go. Cool. Now it's a Lightbox. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my settings, click on this, get my YouTube video, paste that in there. Good to go. Boom. So all it does is this. Yay! Cool. It'll load. Whatever. Okay, so that one's done. Now, let's go ahead and put a image. Okay, so this is call to... Can I put slash? No, I can't. I don't think I could. Call to -1, meaning slide 1. Because each one's going to have a different background image. Get that, get that, get that. Cover it, center it. Actually, no, yeah, there we go. Cool. That looks pretty. I don't like the base font, though. Let's go fix the base font real quick. All the cool kids are using it. Oh, right here. Let's make that Q. I want to make that bigger. All right, let's put another piece of text in there so it looks more pretty. Lightbox link, move this away. Cool. Is there life on Mars? David Bowie, rest in peace. All right. Okay, now that one needs to be bold, or at least normal. That one's medium, so this one needs to be light. And let's lighten it a bit. There we go. Is there life on Mars? Oh god, that was bad. Cool, cool. All right, so let's work on the second slide. And let me just copy everything. Let me just copy this. Oh. Copy that. Delete that. Paste. There we go. So we're on slide 2. And let's go ahead and fix the things. So this is going to be remove call to -2. And what is this? Choose image. Oh no, the second image was this guy right here. Cool. Cool. That's so pretty. How'd he take this shot? Did he send up a weather balloon or something like that? That's so nice. Oh, wait a minute. They should be aligned left the same. Because if you look at the thing, the left line is the same. But if you go from here to here, they're not the same. Okay, so I know how to fix this. If you go here, there we go. If you go here, they're centered. So I'm going to go left, and we're going to push it away. Go like that. 75. Cool. Sweet. Let's go back to slide 2. Sweet. Alright, slide 2. For this play button, we're just going to call it play button 2. So we can have a different color background. This one, let's, they're using orange. I'll use green like them. There we go. That's us. Say again. Alright, cool. And let's just get pale blue dot. YouTube pale blue. Yep. Official. Nice. Don't play it. I don't want any copyright strikes. There we go. Cool. Alright. What? Okay. There's a couple people in here. Thank you so much for being here. Let's keep going. Alright, so before I add a third slide, now that we have 2, can we animate it up? We're going to find out now. Let's turn on the arrows real quick. So we have the arrow. Let's turn it back on. Okay, we have our arrows. We're just going to leave them like that for now. Actually, me being me, left. Okay, you can put it up there. Why? I don't want it full height. I want it auto. Do I have to force it? Oh, let's see here. That one's set to 0, so auto. Aha! Found it. It was you this whole time. Set you to auto as well. Height is auto. Oh, it's auto because the arrow inside is floating, huh? So if yep. Cool. I knew it. Alright. And let's just rotate it because left means down. Yeah. So we're just gonna rotate it. Right? Yeah, so negative 90. Boom. And actually let's put this in the bottom. No. No. Stop it. Give me control. There we go. Cool. And let's make sure that both arrows, we're going to make them, there we go. We're going to make them 5'8", 5'8". Sure, why not? Cool. All right, this arrow right here, call it right. And we're going to, so yeah, Webflow adds these things for you because it's a pre-styled component. So I'm going to override it. Put it to the top. Actually, bottom left. We're just going to put both of them here. And give me control. Give me control. So we're overriding the zeros with auto, so I have more control. And I can't see it. What was it again? I did 40-40. Okay, cool. So let's get this one and do 40-40. And then we're going to rotate that. So negative 90. Yep. Cool. And let's move it up a bit. A little bit more. Cool. And just me being picky. Nah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, cool. All right, so this is what it does right now. That's horizontal. Okay. So for the slider type, I Let's see here. I don't want to cross. Actually, I do want to crossfade, but I want the duration to be 0. So it's not really crossfading. It's just I just want to snap to the next one. So if I preview, that's what I want. No animation. Again, because I want control. So I'm setting it to crossfade, but 0 duration. Next, now we add our own animations. So this is where it gets a little tricky. So I'm going to click on slide. And when you click on slide, that activates this extra element trigger right here. So I have slider here. If I clicked on something else like flex, but it's inside of a slide, you won't see it. It's gone. It's hidden. So you have to click on the slide to tell interactions, hey, I want something for the slider. So now we have something new. Slider in view. Okay, so slider in view means when the slide is in view, when you see it on the viewport, what happens? For slider out of view, it's what happens when it's not in view. Okay, so, and I've had trouble with this when I was recording the food dishes coming in and out. I had trouble, and I'm hoping I don't this time. But let's see here. Slide in. Here we go. Let's do something super easy. I'm going to start with this flex child right here. And let's see here. I'm going to move this for its initial state. So where it's going to be before the page loads, before the slider comes in, it's going to be, oh, it's completely off. Yeah, so 100%. So it's down here. See, like, hello, hello. So I'm going to set it to 100%. And then I'm going to move it to 0%. I'm not going to play around with the easing. I just want to see this happen. Okay, it looks janky right now, but that's what I want to happen. All right, let's press preview. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to slide out. Start a new one. Call it slide out. All right. Okay. Yep. Oh, this one right here. Flex child. Move. And so when the slider goes out, there's kind of a delay, huh? Hold on. I'm watching it. Yeah, the other one like goes on top, and then the one below is kind of delayed. Okay, so let's try that. Let's delay it. So we're gonna delay it like 0.5 seconds, and then we're gonna go negative 100%. So it's going upwards. Okay, so like that. So it's delayed and then go up. And then okay, it comes back down. Okay, so what happens is after it goes up, okay, so after it goes up, it needs to go back to the starting point. And so I have to click move and then set this to positive 100 because I want it to go all the way down again. But if I leave it like this, it looks like that. So what I have to do is set the duration to 0 so it snaps. So right after this, right after it goes up, it goes down. And now it went up on the animation and now it's down with 0 duration. So goes up. And there we go. All right. Almost there. Now let's try to do that again with this slide. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me click out of it. Let's go to this slide, set an element trigger to slider in view. This one's going to be slide in 2. Now this would be easier Yeah, let me kind of redo this because I can set a new interaction, a new animation timeline to each of these slides. But if you want to think about scalability, that would just suck to maintain. So it's better to do one timeline animation for all. So let me fix this real quick. Right? So I'm going to delete this and let's go back to my structure. Okay, so how I have it is the slide, flex child, and flex child. The reason why I can't apply this same interaction to this is because I have a unique combo class. Okay, and the reason why I have a unique combo class is because of this background image. So what I'm going to do is remove them both, right? So I'm going to remove them. I'm going to go here to this flex child. I'm going to remove. Okay, and for here, I'm going to add another div, and this div is what's going to hold the background image. Okay, so we're going to call this BG1 and set this height to 100%. And I'm going to apply the image to this. And so when I'm doing the interaction animation, I'm only doing it to flex child. I'm only doing it to flex child call 2. Which is this one that I'm pointing out down here in the footer. And I'll show you how, and I'll show you why, and then you'll be, oh, okay, I get it. All right, so there's that. And then we have flex child. Is there another? So they're both flex child. Let me call it call 2. There we go. So the interaction is only going to hit this. So this is going to be the thing that's moving up and down, and it's holding the background image. And so there we go. So let me just copy this, paste it. And so what's cool is I can duplicate this, duplicate class. Nope. Call it background 2. Change this guy to here. Sweet. Okay, back on it. So this slide right here has the animation slider. And instead of doing selected element, I'm doing the class. Okay, so the actual class. So I can reuse this many a times. So right here, I'll close that. So right here for this slide, it has, I'm gonna just set it to slide in. So now I'm just reusing that same I'm just reusing that same thing. Flex child class. Yeah. There we go. Let's see here. All right, let's see this happen. It is a rocket. I'll give you that. What's up, Kevin? Hey. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. What did I do? Okay, the slide in, the move is set initially to 100. So that one worked. You go here, and it goes to 0. So that worked. So when I slide out, it starts from wherever it is already, and it goes negative 100 after a delay of 0.5. When it's done, it goes back down. Maybe because it's set to all elements. Oh, thank you, Alexandru. I think you're new here. Forgot the same combo class slide too. Rob, you're new here. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, thanks for the support. And you caught that. Yeah, so it's not supposed to be all elements with this class. It's supposed to be only children. Thanks for catching that. Yes. Let's do that with the slide in. It should be children. Nice. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys and gals. Okay. And I think one of you said that I forgot to remove. Yeah, I forgot to add call 2. All right. Yep. All right. So here's the problem now. I can't see the other one. So is crossfade not the one to use? That's what's going in my head. So what I mean by crossfade is if I go to my slide, crossfade immediately switches the slide. If I add a duration, it switches it, but slowly using opacity. Okay, so I'm using the front of my hand and the back of my hand for the two slides. That's what I'm saying in my head. So what if it's slide over? Because slide over is basically what this thing is doing. So let's test that one out. Yes! There it is! And now we just add the easing and... Cynthia! We did it! And now all you gotta do is just have fun with all the type and the Yes, we did it. So is it? Whoa! What? Why? Wait. Of course it's not done. Of course it's not done. Why are you going down? Oh, it's because if I click fast. Yeah, if I click fast, I don't give it enough time to reset itself. So I give it time. Giving it time. So you gotta wait. So, alright, let's do the thing where it moves up. Okay, I get it. The slide in needs a delay as well. See, now it's fun. After you have the basics, the foundation of your animation and whatnot, then it's all about just plugging in the timing and just then it becomes fun. Ugh. Thank you guys. Rob, Alexandru. Yes. You guys rock. Okay. I gotta get back in the mindset. What was I doing? Ah, yes. Delay. So let's put this delay of 0.5. Wait. Hold on. Let me see here. So when I come in, it's going to delay 0.5. Let's try delay 0.5. And let's see, what kind of easing is he using? Is it slow, fast, slow? Because we used that last stream. And I think it was in-out circ. And let's go ahead and do that for the slide out as well. In-out circ. And let's just play around and see what happens. Okay, so they're on the same delay, so it makes it look like it's just moving up. It's not sliding over. So one delay has to be which delay? It's the slide out delay has to be a little bit later, huh? So let's do 0.75. Okay, it kind of did it. But I think I'm not using the right easing or the timing's wrong. Easings.net. That should be their jingle. Cynthia smiling so hard right now. This is so cool. Yeah, this is why I love web design. Because you're like, fiddle. And then you stumble upon it and you're like, oh, it makes sense. This is why I love web design. It's like solving a puzzle. Webflow just makes it that much more fun. Exactly, Steven. I've been waiting for a tool like this for so long. I've been in the Webflow or web design game. I started playing with GeoCities in '95, and then Flash was like the closest thing to Webflow because like you manipulate things right on the canvas, and that was before responsive design. And then the iPhone came out. And then we're like, what do we do? And then I had to learn a thing called CSS. And I was like, oh, why? That's not the easing. That's not the... That one? Okay, it goes slow towards the end. I think it's this. Goes whoop. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try ease out court. Ease out court. Do the same thing for slide in. Ease out court. Ease out court down the road. Something. Okay, so something. Okay, the slide in has to have a duration. Let's put the duration 0.75. Okay, there's staggering going. But it's not exact. Look at this real quick. Goes up. So yeah, this is a puzzle. I don't think it's easing anymore. I think I have the easing right. Whoa, that was lag. Okay, easing's not the problem. Let's go 1 second. Ooh, that one felt good. Okay, so if that's 1 second, let's play around with the slide out. And this happens 0.5, so it happens super late. So maybe it should just be no delay. 0 delay. It's going up. No, but the other thing has a delay. What was the other delay on the slide in? Delay's 0.5. So I have to delay it, not 0.5. Oh, 0.25. I just try it and then set the duration to 1. Let's see. I knew it. There's going to be a gap. 1 second. Now I'm just grasping. Oops, sorry. Oh, okay. Find the numbers. 0.75. Oh. Hold on. Is that the same out court? And then slide in is out court. Yeah, we fixed that one. Let's slide out. Do I have it for a second? Yeah, 1 second. Looks like it goes fast. Huh. Scared to put this to 0.5 again. I thought, I don't know. Ugh. It's not as cool. Is it 0.65? Yep. Oh? Is this it? And as always, what I'm going to do is let you guys clone this, and then you can use it for whatever you want. Your future projects, your personal sites, or reverse engineers. Make this look better. Make this work better than me. I don't know. Do whatever you want with it. I want you guys to learn. That's the whole point of these streams. And hopefully you guys are learning. An interesting thing, like, learning is fun. And when people say, like, oh, I'm bored, I always wonder, like, There's so much you can do in life. Why are you bored? I think we got it. All right. Now that we got it, now let's just play around with the type. Okay, cool. The type needs to, okay. The type needs to go. Let's see here. So they all move at different speeds. Go up, up, up. Okay, so yeah. Now let's just play around. Do we need to give this a class name? That has a class name. That has a class name. And Lightbox needs a class name. Oh, Lightbox link. Cool. So they all have class names. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and... yeah, so what I'm going to do is I can do the multiple or reuse this slider animation. So what's that happens in slide in? So they all start down. Let's make them start down at like 100 pixels. Yeah, it's like that. It's not too far down. It's not 100% like all the way off the canvas. Oh, one more thing. We gotta make sure that this flex child right here also has overflow of none, because I don't want to, if anything goes beyond it below, I don't want to have like a scroll bar or something. All right, let's go back into interaction, slide, heading, class. And what did I do wrong the first time? I left it to all elements. Now this is only children. Cool. Set that to 100. And also we want to add opacity of 0. Boom. All right. Now let's go ahead and after this guy comes up, or do they happen at the same time? Okay, they happen at the same time. So I'm going to move... no, not flex child. I'm going to move heading back to 0 pixels and also 100% opacity. Only children. There we go. And so this happens on a 0.5 delay in 1 second. So this 0.5 delay, 0.5. So we're going to... let's see here. Yeah, we're going to leave those 0.5. And then this one's going to do... everyone is going to do... what was it? Out... quad? Quint? Quart? No. E's out court. Yeah. And this is out court. Got it. Okay, so let's play it. Cool. So yeah, the type is done moving, but the image is still moving. Okay, cool. Cool. Now we just do the other things. Move 100. And this is going to be staggered load, so the delay is going to be different. Class children. Also opacity 0. Cool. And this is going to move to 0. Opacity is going to be 100. Sweetness. And then, let's see here. We gotta play around with the delay. So we're gonna set the delay to like 0.85. Whoa, that lagness. All right, let's preview here. Oh my. Oh, it's because my easing. Out court. And the duration is 0.5. That duration is 0.5. Oh, the delay is only 0.5. My bad. 0.6. Previewing it. Yeah, kind of laggy. Because I'm inside a designer tool. And I can see it better if I just press publish. So let me do that right now. Oh, I have to press done. Okay, there we go. And here, let me post in the chat room right now the webflow.io link so you can check it out for yourself. Oh God, it looks so smooth. How do I send it? Oh, okay. I know. I'll just type it. HTTP vertical slider. Oh, I have a bunch of characters that Webflow added. B6, B8, 8A .webflow.com. I think that's it. Clicky. Yep. That's so cool. All right. And lastly is this one. And I think we're done. Oh, wait, no. We need slide out. Called it too early. Lightbox link. What am I selecting? No. Lightbox link. There we go. So Lightbox link move 100 pixel. Also, wait. Class. Children. Opacity 0. And so again, whatever I'm doing on this one, I'm already affecting the other slide. So, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and press plus here. So move to 0. And this one right here, opacity. No problem, Cynthia. Hope you're having fun watching. Okay, so this now we just add another staggered load for 0.1 second longer on the delay. Oof, that's so cool. Okay, and that's about it. Now we gotta do slide out. All right, so what's slide out doing? It's just going up, right? But let's look at the timing. I see here. The timing is the type is moving first before anything else. Let's see. This has been a great time. Your moments of excitement makes the learning experience worthwhile. Yeah, I mean, that's my honest reaction whenever I learn something. Like, and other people too in the teams, especially Waldo, the lead customer, the customer success manager. Like, he gets all excited whenever we have a new feature or he learns something new. I mean, he's always playing around with 3D interactions. He's nuts with that kind of stuff. My guy is nuts. Let's keep going. Let's finish this up. So the first thing that has to go. So we have a press play. Not working. Okay. Oh yeah, this happened before too. There was like some sort of what happened? No. Where's my stuff? Okay, I think there was like, this is what I was talking about. Maybe there's a bug or something. Hold on. Don't panic. You're fine. Where's the on the Googles? Oh, here we go. Developer tools. Oh, there is no what? It won't play. Okay. All right. Whatever. Okay. So my settings are still there. Let me publish. And I'm going to save. So, pro tip. How to save where you are. Control Shift or Command Shift S. You see this thing? You can save it back up. Slide in. Done. So now, if anything messes up from this point forward, I can go back to my backups and start from this checkpoint. So I can restore this checkpoint and then we'll be okay. So now let's go ahead and do the slide out stuff. You go here. And can't wait to play around with this. Yes! Don't worry, I'll let you clone it. Soon. I'll let you clone it. Let's get this. And let's move it. Press move. Class children. There we go. Children. All right. And so they move, I'm guessing 100. Oh, they go all the way? I was doing this wrong? Oh, it goes all the way up. My bad. All right. I'm going to have to fix the slide in as well. So they go up and is it why isn't it showing on this one? The reason why it's not showing this one is because interactions is showing me on slide 1. So let me go back to slide 1 real quick. What? Okay. Let me save. Let me refresh. Let me figure it out. All right. Expand all. Slide. Get that. Actually, no. Let me go here. Slide 1. Okay. Slide out. Click this. Press plus. Move. Am I moving it? Yes, we're moving. Okay. There we go. So I got to manipulate it on slide 1. And this one, we're going to do... Okay, negative 300. Oh, I did negative. Negative 300. And at the same... What's it doing? Is it opacity or is it just a motion blur that's happening? I'm going to set it opacity. This is my world. I do what I want. Okay. So opacity. And these are the... This is the class. Children. And so it should go... It's doing it again. At least it works on the preview there. See, I have this negative 300 and... okay, well... Yeah, there's nothing in the console. That means it's okay. Oh, okay. Awesome slider. My first instinct was to scroll it. Yeah. So that's the thing about dribble shots. It's a concepting community. They make concepts. Rarely do they make real things. And when they do make real things, what I really hope is that, well, for all these dribble concepts, I really wish they would just make it real. Like, you wouldn't make an After Effects, you wouldn't present a client with a prototype, a website prototype made in After Effects. You wouldn't do that. You would show them a prototype that they can actually play with and interact with. And that's what I'm trying to do with these streams. I see something cool and I'm like, oh, wouldn't it be cool if it was real? And most of the time, the people who create these concepts, they don't make it real. They're just like, oh, here's something flashy. And so I'm like, okay, well, I will take the time to see if it will be real. So can this concept be real? Yes. Yes, it can. Is it good for UX? Well, the concept... Not so much, because just like Alex said right here, awesome slider, but my first instinct was to scroll it. So, I'm not one for scroll jacking. The user should have full control of where they are on the page. And if they scroll and then the whole thing shifts like this concept, that's not a good user experience. You've just removed all control from the user. And no bueno. So let's move on. So this is working-ish. I don't know why Webflow is doing this, but we'll stick with the same easing. Ease out. And let's see it work. Yeah, it won't work there. Okay, let's see if I close this. Will it work here? Okay, it did. It doesn't look too smooth. But I'm just going to finish this up anyway for the stream. For you all. And then you guys can take this even further. Okay, you can take this to new heights. See what I did there? See? Because of space. Yeah, rocket. I like rockets. They're fun. Alright, I'm done. Let's see here. What did I do with this heading? So only 0.5. Wait a minute. Something. Okay, they're the same. Oh, they're happening at the same time. Maybe that's why. So this delay shouldn't be 0.65. This delay should be 0.25. Okay, because this has to happen first and then the picture. So this one's going to happen at 0.35 and this is going to happen at 0.45. All right, cool. Got it. Yeah. Let's go here. Class, children, and let's go negative 300. Oh, disclaimer for all the Dribble rant. This is not a rant on Dribble itself. The platform is awesome. The rant is the community. Please post real things. I want to see things in context. I want to see things that I can play with. Give me a web link so I can play around with your app or your... I mean, there's tools now like InVision, Figma, and stuff like that where you can prototype. And if you can now let people click on the stuff. And after they click, the things happen. Okay, I'm done. Soapbox. Had to. All right. So after that, we do the easing of out court. And then let's do opacity as well. Though, did we do it? So this one goes to 0? Yeah, okay. So this one goes to 0 as well. And the delay is points. Both delays are 0.35. Out court. Sweet. And then the last one is a Lightbox link. And what is it? You said it best. Dribble is awesome. Practical designs are even better. Yes. Practical. Let's see here. Move this to negative 300. This is on the class. So yeah, when I add this stuff, then it kind of breaks. See what happened when I add doing the multiple things? Interesting. All right, let's go ahead and add opacity to 0. All right, let's fix these two. I'm gonna go ease out court. Delay 0.45. Duration is good. I think we're good. Let's press play. Oh, it's not going to work. Yeah, I knew it was not going to work. Oh, and we have to reset it too. Just like this, how we reset. All right. I got it. Okay, so we're on the Lightbox, and so we have to reset it back to 300. So I'm going to go here, move. The opacity is already 0. And so all I have to do is just move this to 300 plus. Right? How come it's starting? I'm not going to trust where it is right here, because it's on the same Y as this. But that's 0. 300 should be down here. Not going to trust it right now. And this duration is going to be 0. Let's do the same thing with this. Plus move 300. Duration 0. And lastly, heading plus move 300. 0. Cool. All right, so I reset it. And so on the slide in, though, I need to set these moves. Instead of 100, will be 300. What? Oh, there it goes. That's the right stuff down there. You got the right stuff, baby. All right, cool. So that should be done. I'm not gonna press preview. I'm just gonna publish it and cross my fingers. Here we go, folks. Mm-hmm. Oh, what? Why did it do the things? Wait. No, it's not the slide over, is it? It is it is a slide over. The reason why is because I have a color. Press done here. Okay, let me show you real quick. So this right here, this flex child, this first column, this one has the background cover. So when when I slide over, this part immediately gets erased because it's just a color on top of the whole thing. So if I do like this, right, let me just set it to transparent just to make sure. So I set it transparent. The color should be on the main thing, the very, very back. Get that ivory going. Okay, that didn't work because Webflow adds a background color to this automatically. Actually, I can add the color to here instead, not the main thing. So let me delete that. Let's publish, hope for the best. There we go. So I think they're using a different... Okay, for these, they're using a different ease. And I'm thinking the ease that we used last time was that it's like slow, fast, slow. If you look at the text, it's like slow, fast, slow. Yeah, let me try slow, fast, slow. What is it again? Ease... No, ease in, out, circ. Try that one. Almost done. I want this good. I want this good. And that's a... Yeah, we'll do slide in and everything. So this and this. Can I do all of them? Oh, I can. Yeah. Ease in, out, circ. Cool. Okay, let me go to slide out. And let me see. This and all of them. Yeah? Something like that? No, all it is just designing now. I mean, I can just... The base is done. Now I could just add stuff like that. The thing. Like, let me just add a new thing. Now I'm just going to have fun, you guys. Now I'm just going to have fun. This line right here. Where the width is like 1 and then the height is like... 100%. You're gonna be like, what are you doing? I'm doing this line on this line right here. And let's just make it fun. Let's just put it right here. This is like the victory lap now. So we can do it like that. Right there. And then have a background color of like that grayness. Can you see the line? Is the line even there? Oh, I have to do z-index. Something like that. Okay, cool. Let me get that line right here. Change that background color. Let's just go black and then set the opacity. So something like that. And then we can just play around. Take this. Go arrow. Actually, no. Let me remove that real quick so I can do the hover states. And when I hover over it, this turns orange for some reason. And then none state. The none state will have the color change. Font color. And then we add right back on it. And so... We get the color change too. And you know what? Let's just do one more because again, I'm having fun now. I mean, it's not like I wasn't having fun, but I am like having more fun. So the hover is transform, move. Let's move it. Oh wait, no, this should be on the combo class. So let me add right again. So on the combo class, so on the combo class of right, not only do you rotate, but on the hover, you move. Nope. There we go. Just move 10 pixels up. Okay. Got it. Cool. So on the none state, let's go ahead and also add another transform for the transform, or transition for the transform. So now we can have this kind of thing. Whoop. And we do the same thing here. Let's go ahead and do it. Left on the hover, we're going to push it down. So let's go ahead to the transform, move. Nope. This one. Nope. Yep. Cool. And then let's go ahead and go to none state, add the transform on the transition. Boom. Done. Whoop. Uh-oh. Am I getting scroll bar with this? I hope not. So if I'm getting scroll bar with that, then what I'm going to do is slider, overflow, hidden. There we go. Cool. The reason why is because this is going beyond the slider. And because I didn't set overflow hidden, that data is still going to be... oh, that's cool. I didn't even mean that. That data is... oh, you don't see what I'm doing. Let's see here. Let me... there you go. And goodbye. This is what I'm talking about. Whee! So this is what I was doing. So yeah. This was going beyond the canvas, and so if it goes beyond the canvas, it'll give you a scroll bar so users can scroll to wherever that extra space is needed. Okay? So yeah. Now we're just having fun, and I mean, is this a good stopping point? I think you guys can take it from here. So if you want to add a third one, let's go ahead and add a third slide. All we got to do is copy the pasta. And now we're on the third slide. I can take this guy right here, flex child. Oh wait, no, I need one more down. Take a BG2, duplicate this class, and call it BG3. Take my third picture, and this one. Does anyone know this reference? I've given you sunlight. I've given you dirt. You've given me nothing but heartache and hurt. Seymour. Is that how you spell Seymour? Oh, M-O-U-R. And this text block, the max width should be something like 550. Nope. That right there, cool. 390. And this play button right here, play 2. Let's duplicate it and call it play 3. Hey. Oh, jeez. Play 3. And this color, let's make it purplish, pinkish thing. And call it a day. That was fun. Yes, Little Shop of Horrors. Thank you, Steven. There you go. And let's get that. What is it? Blue Shop of Horrors. I've given you sunlight. Oh wait. Little Shop Skid Row. I was listening to this the other day, and I was like, yes. It was in my head for some reason. Let me throw it over. No, don't play. Okay, good. Fix my Lightbox real quick. Publish. Okay, I think we're done. That was fun. What was that? Like an hour and a half. Ain't no thing. And then here's the hard part now. How do you make that responsive? I think that's for you guys to figure out. In my head, you stack it. Stack it for mobile. Ugh. Have fun with it. That flare is cool. Oh, hey, we got someone in Twitch. Hey, Kimon, what's up? Yeah. It's actually a picture of the total eclipse. Hence why I did that Little Shop of Horror thing, because it's one of the lyrics is like total eclipse of the sun. Bing. Anyways, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much. Oh, I should put. Okay, lesson learned. Let me do this. Title text. No. So on the Twitters, I should just put the full thing. Boom. I don't like that font. So light condensed. No. Light. Hey, light. Hey, I said light. There we go. Let me move you down. How do I move? I want to move you. I'm going to move you. Ay. Layout. Move you down. No, down. There. That's cool. Go faster. Go faster. Oh, there we go. Faster. Smaller. There we something like that. There we go. Cool. Move you that way a bit. Whoa. It's hard to control. There we go. Cool. So that's me. Right there. If you don't know me. Hi. That's it for tonight. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. But you guys give me energy to keep going. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah. So I'm trying to do a cadence of every other day on the stream. And there are going to be times when I'm just too tired or, family, I need to take care of my family and I can't stream. So I'm not going to guarantee that I stream every other day, but I'm going to try. Hopefully these streams are very educational, helpful, and most importantly, fun. I want you to have fun learning. And to me, that's the best part about life. With my 18-month-old daughter, I'm learning. It's just funny how we as parents, or we as humans, like we see someone learn something. You see a baby learn how to walk and you jump for joy. You're like, whoa, you see a baby learn. Like today, the first time my daughter put a straw into her juice box by herself. I mean, the hole was already open, but she put it herself. And we're like, whoa. And it's just, it's a natural human reaction to see someone learn. And to see people like Cynthia, Steven, Peter, Rob, and if I missed your name, I'm sorry, but to see you all in the live chat room and you're learning, to me, that's the same thing as seeing anyone else learn. It's such an amazing feeling. So what I ask for you all is take what you've learned and pass it forward, because that's, to me, that's the best joy. That's the real paycheck of life right there, seeing someone learn. And if you can help pass that along, you're just helping everyone else. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Follow me on Twitter at the Pixel Geek. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, do so now, and also that bell, so you'll know when I stream again. I usually stream at night, Pacific time. It can be 9, 10, or 11, whatever I have time for. But yeah, if you have any suggestions for a future stream, please put in the comments below. And just like Cynthia did, I will learn more about what you want me to do, and I'll try to do it on the stream live and learn with you. Thank you guys so much. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya. I keep forgetting to put the ending music, so it's all cool and everything. I'll just do it right now. Play.